Hey everybody, welcome back to Nothing But Smoke. We're going to have some pork chops today. We're starting off with some onion powder. We're going to put a little bit of garlic powder. We're going to put that on the front and the back of these delicious pork chops. I got these from Publix. We have a little bit of salt. We have a little bit of pepper. And we're going to finish it off with some complete seasoning. So just watch as I powder these babies. The next thing we're going to do is work on a little gravy. I'm using some olive oil here, and then I'm going to use some onions. These are just some big white onions. They are so delicious. I just love onions. We're going to also put a little bit of seasoning on my onions. Same seasoning we used before. And I'm using a little bit of this browning seasoning. I'm going to leave links for everything down below if I can find them. It makes everything delicious, honestly. You can put that in rice, anything you want. I'm adding a little bit of water, and then we're going to mix in some flour, and we're going to make a delicious smothered sauce. And so we put that sauce to the side. I'm using the same frying pan. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. We're going to just put a little bit of sear on the front and the back of these pork chops just for a few minutes. All right, just to brown the top. Then we're going to put it in one of my Dutch oven pots, very heavy cast iron. I'm going to place that inside of there. Pour that sauce all over the top. Put a little bit of butter in there just to tenderize that meat a bit, and cover it tightly and load it in the oven for about, I'll say about 30 minutes on 350, and they're going to be so delicious, guys. This turned out fabulous. And guys, this is your finished plate. As you can see, I added some roasted potatoes, little garlic, little ranch. I have some vegetables there, some broccoli with some cheddar on top, and the star of the show, the pork chops. The smothered pork chops were delicious. So guys, try this out. Let us know how you like it. And of course, the first bite is for you. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.